All right, so first is my 1-year anniversary on TikTok and YouTube. I just want to thank everybody for all the support. So I got myself my first Louis Vuitton fragrance. So let's unbox it. So this is what the inside looks like. I have this right here. This has my return label. So for those of you who don't know, the way Louis Vuitton does this, they will give you the box. Inside of it will have a sample of the fragrance. You can test the fragrance out then, see if you like it. If you don't, there's a free label in here to return it, get your money back. So it's a great formula. I love that they do that. But we don't care about returning right now. We care about this. So, oh, it's magnetic. I love magnetic. So pop it open. Inside we have that. Very fancy. Very fancy. Let's see. I'm gonna go upside down so I can get it out. So let us, I almost don't want to break this. There we go. Then it's like so. Here is the fragrance itself. And then we have, I think these are my 2 samples. I got to pick 2 samples when I got the fragrance. Are these them? I assume these are them. They did not send me the 2 I asked for. Interesting. I went with Imagination and Limouset. They sent me Limouset and a Trape Graves, which, well, is what it is. Nothing I can do right now. I could probably message them and they would take care of it, but I just don't really care. All right, let's unbox this. How do I unbox this? I guess I have to pull this. Again, people, you come up with really good ideas and packaging, but then you don't think about the fragrance influencers that don't have fingers. I'm probably gonna speed this up. Oh, got it. Got it. Okay, now, what do? I don't want to break this. Trying to be gentle, even though I'm probably just gonna, I was gonna say throw away, but it's not. I'm going to recycle this box when I'm done with it. Anyway, all right, inside this box is the famous cylinder that everyone shows. Okay, all right, another packaging gone, and here you go. So, pop the bottom, and there it is. Now, they had an option where you could make it a customized bottle, you know, add something. So I don't know if you can see, and it was only 3 letters. I wanted to do 4 so I could do nubs, but I couldn't, so I put nub. So have it on there. Let's, ooh, is that magnetic? It is. Classy. Let us spray it on the arm. Easy. Great atomizer. So again, I'll let it dry down a little bit. So this is a green woody fragrance, but when it dries down, it becomes this beautiful sweet fragrance. One of my followers, I just released a video today, in fact, going over samples, and one of my followers sent me a sample of Lovers, and that's the only reason I have this. I smelled it, I'm like, holy cow, I need this fragrance, and I got it now. Yeah, it's a beautiful green fragrance, has nice woody bounce in it. That sweetness is underneath the opening, if that makes sense. So like, it starts off as a nice woody, nice green fragrance with nice sweetness in it. It's just beautiful. I love it. It's kind of, I don't want to say it's, so if I say it's similar, people are going to think it's going to be super close. It has vibes that remind me of Dias and Durga Italian Citrus, or the new perfumes from Perseus, when it comes to just that kind of green vibe. It's like that style of green. So you get those woods, you get that nice green meadow, that green field. But then Louis Vuitton has this amazing sweetness in the dry down. And you can smell it. Oh, so good. I love this fragrance. I'm a huge fan of it. I think if you like green fragrances, you'll like this one. It's just amazing. Plus, I mean, again, these bottles look sick. They look absolutely sick. And the nice thing about Louis Vuittons, once I use up this fragrance, I can send it back to Louis Vuitton and they'll like refill it for me. Now, I don't know if that means I have to go personally, because I've seen people go themselves. They just take their bottle. There isn't a Louis Vuitton store where I live, so I don't know if I ship it back to them or what. We'll have to deal with that if I ever get to that point. But my newest fragrance, happy to add to the collection, is this one here. This is Lovers.